Hi, welcome to the Entrepreneur channel. And in this new video, I'm going to share with you a free new book, a powerful book that reveals how to build wealth through automation tools. The title of the book is called Velocity Profit, created by one of my friends, Chris Readers. Chris Readers is one of the best affiliate marketers that has generated millions of dollars on ClickBank, and now he wants to reveal his secrets for the first time. This is a powerful wealth building method and automation tools to be revealed for the first time. And in this new book, we are going to learn the 3-step system that makes Chris Readers students and aim at thousands of dollars per day. How to make high margin commissions promoting low price products in countries like Norway, Singapore, Ireland, and more. The breakthrough technology that help automate large part of this method and much more. So to get access to this Velocity Profit free book, click the link in the description of this video and download it. Then what is Velocity Profit system? It's a proven step-by-step system for making consistent passive income from affiliate marketing through video ad and on-tap traffic like TikTok. Velocity Profit students have been making thousands of dollars every single day, and nothing of like this has been shown before. So Chris Readers and his team has created early successful strategies that leverage AI and create a straightforward path to success, even for beginners. Whether you are beginners or you are intermediate in affiliate marketing, this book will help you to scale your affiliate marketing commission or to generate more commission by promoting low ticket products and based on tap traffic source. So make sure don't forget to download this free book. After downloading this free book, also you are going to get access to the webinar training. We had Chris Leaders and his entire team go to reveal a new strategy to you, how to get on tap traffic and how to create a video ad to drive targeted traffic to your offer and generate more commission. So don't forget to look at the description of this video and download your free book on how to you get a foreign traffic to generate more sales. So wish you the best of luck. Don't forget to like this video if this video has helped you, and also I'll be sharing more information on this Velocity Profit system by Chris Leaders. Wish you the best of luck. Thank you for watching.